everybody, this is Jeffrey at the Ballroom of Reno, Reno's nonprofit ballroom and Latin dance studio. And today we are doing second pattern of Foxtrot. This is called a corner step or a rock step, depending who you talk to. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the leaders. Let's get going. Here it goes. So guys, you're going to start with your left foot, leaders. Start with your left foot, and you're just going to go forward. There you go, forward. Now you're going to brush your feet together, and you're going to change weight or change direction. Excuse me, and go backwards, back, and then turn and go side together. Very much like what we did in the waltz balance step. So the timing on that is going to be slow, slow, turn, side, together. Or slow, slow, quick, quick. All right? Now followers, this is exactly the opposite. So we're just going to go with your right foot, and you're going to go backwards. You're going to step slow. You're going to get changed, and you're going to go forward. And then you're going to turn side together. So the timing on that is right foot, slow, slow, quick, quick. Just like the leaders. Go figure. So anyways, hope that helps. It's a very easy pattern. So I'm going to do real quick. I'm going to do a combination. I'm going to do the basic as a leader and then the corner step. So I'm dancing into a corner. I'm going to step slow, slow, quick, quick, and then forward, back, side, together. Here we go. So I'll do the followers with the timing. It goes slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And just remember, when you step forward, that is on your heel, whether the leader or the follower. Everybody, hope this helps you, get you started. Today doing Foxtrot on your bite-sized lesson. We're doing the Promenade step in Foxtrot. It's a really fun pattern. Now, basically, you use this after going forward into your basic, and you could be in the corner here if you wanted. And so what I'm going to do is go start right off into it. It's been leaders, of course, left foot as always. And leaders, if I'm facing my partner this way, and I turn and I walk out and I step forward onto the heel, my chest is towards my partner. So I'm over here. I'm going to step across, and then I'm going to turn back to my partner the direction we started to step side together. So the timing on this is still slow, slow, quick, quick, because we're doing American Foxtrot. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to turn my head and turn my chest to the partner and step slow, slow, quick, quick. All right? Now, as a follower, you're doing exactly the opposite. And I think the best thing for me to do on this one is to go this way so you can see it, followers. So you're here, and you're going to turn. You're going to turn your head, and you're going to walk heel, heel, side, together. You're going to close back up. Okay? So I'll do it away from the camera. So you're going to start, you're going to hear, and you're going to go slow, slow, quick, quick. All right? So it's really, really easy. It's just really important that you keep your hearts toward each other. I like to talk about that. Always keep your heart toward each other. And that'll keep my chest versus turning away from each other. So I want to feel, I'll do it one more time. I'm going to do a basic. I'm going to lead this. I'm going to do a basic into a promenade. So I'll start off and I'll step slow, slow, quick, quick. I rotate and step slow, slow, quick, quick. All right? Pretty easy. I'll do the followers real quick. And I'm going to step slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And that's it. That's your bite-sized lesson today. Everybody, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you here at the ballroom, and look out for our intro specials and all of our free group classes. Have a wonderful day, and as always, be a good human.